When you talk to each other on the step. Good test.
How are you doing?
What's up?
Healed, I think. It's been 3 weeks.
Alright, cruise your own foul 3, okay?
Ooh. So far, no fouls.
I'm relying on you, okay?
Alright,
My
alright.
job depends on it. Not lose a job. I'll find another one, but I really like this one. I get to do homework front desk.
That's right, huh? You're in the front desk, you just chill, right? Just,
Yeah. Read or do
Older guy.
homework.
Yeah.
No. Older guy.
Is it Amanda?
I think we're.
What?
Huh?
Amanda? That's her name? The other girl.
Amanda? My
Yeah.
dad.
Shut up.
She's gonna do Wednesdays in December, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really hope so.
Oh.
I got an email the next day from Amelia about it. It's like they're gonna change it. Which is stupid. Because you can tell, I mean, like the principal's 10. Tell them to fuck up. We under 45 minutes. We were out of here we were done. Lights off by 9:50. Like, how is down here really affect you that much? There's no way that much sound hit was all good ball. Some guy being a dick. Fucking stupid.
Watch that ball, that's already good.
Yeah, it's usually older people that are retired. Those are the teammates that have
Hey, down line!
Can I throw it out electronically?
Woo!
Time. Hey, ball.
Yeah.
That's why we were late. We just had dinner with him. We haven't seen him in a little bit.
I was like, of course he calls him mom. Calls her mama. But there's guys that like
Team effort.
Whoosh. Dang.
Easy, guys.
and there's like multiple, so like there'll be multiple guys.
Check middle. Good stuff.
Oh.
Hey, watch to the left. To the left. Like that.
Good, Steve, good. That's fine. Easy, guys. Hey, if you're tired, let's get a sub. We got fresh legs. Hey, Steve.
Oh.
Hey, Ralph, come on.
You gotta call a foul on the ground. Some little ghoul reached up and grabbed him. Hey, Cody, you gotta check over there. See, there's a little hand grabbing people. Some shenanigans over there. Ooh, good stop, yeah.
Keep going, Jose. Hey, you good, Jose?
Yeah.
You're up next.
Oh, I was gonna introduce you, but I was like, let him get ready, Kendall.
Yeah, okay. It's only the third game. Oh my goodness.
Are you complaining? Is that it?
No,
How about
never. I would never.
How about a little less complaining, more little pew pew with those buttons, huh? Yeah.
Working on
Yeah.
it. I'm keeping it close to my body so I won't freeze. The controller won't freeze.
Oh! Oh! It's close. Dang.
Press harder? Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Damn, bro, you would have had that clean. I already saw it in my head.
Any guy right there. Yeah, see.
Hey, pass quick.
That was the spot over here.
There you go, turn.
Yep, he's got to move. Come on.
Bye.
You got Seabass?
Good luck on your new job. See you guys.
Get back, Seabass, get back.
Ooh.
Turn.
Good save.
Off the wall, off the wall.
Yeah, that's for sure goal.
Hit that. Ooh.
Oh.
Unlucky.
Dude, that was a good sub too, because he like appeared out of nowhere and stopped him.
Hey, better pass this.
I had a half a second.
Nice.
Hey, stretch the floor. Someone make a run.
Snickers?
Yep.
But does it really satisfy? See, it never does.
I'm actually not working on it.
Turn, shoot that.
Oh. That's fine, it's fine. Oh. Come on, Tony.
Finish that.
Ooh.
It's so cold, it feels like my nose is running. That's how cold I am.
Wait, you brought a sweater, yeah?
Get him right here. Get him
Okay,
right here.
I
yeah.
have another sweater. I just need to get out.
I felt so bad. There was like times it was like I was fully bundled up, and then one of the I forget who it was scorekeeping. They had just it was Peyton. He had like just shorts and literally like a tank top, and it was freezing. I was like, dude, I'll let you borrow a jacket, whatever. You know, it's just I felt so bad for him. Woo. Yep, one time. Nice. Oh. Nice.
Someone from last team was like, "Who's doing scorekeeping?" And I was like, "Me." He was like asked me a question, and then he called in, and I was like, "Good thing." I was like, "Goodbye," and then he forgot.
So he was like, "You're scorekeeping," and
Yeah,
then,
he was like, and then he's like, "Is there like?"
oh no. Okay.
Ball?
Where's the other ball?
That one, no.
Peyton's getting it.
Payne's to lunch.
Where's the other one?
I don't know.
I think from Sunday, right?
What happened to the other one?
They're probably supposed to.
That's not good. We're down to.
Did they get that ball in the street?
There was, that was Peyton that threw it back, but where's the other one?
There's
Or
one
probably-
still up there. They never got the one that's up there in the
No,
corner.
it's not that one.
No, there's another one. Like this. There's one right here.
Easy. Hold. Don't come out.
Oh.
Yeah, where is the other ball?
I don't know. By the end of the night, they're gonna have nothing.
Literally.
Nothing.
Restart.
I don't know if the new balls are going to come in.
Got
for next
Jordan.
week.
Yeah.
The one that was just thrown on, is that the one that was just kicked over?
Yeah,
The one that was
Peyton.
thrown over? Yeah, that was the one that I
Peyton
turned
just
out.
put it back over here.
Easy. Who's next? Let's go.
Should probably take a minute.
fun, that's fun, that's fun.
Jeez.
You ready?
You asked me to come on.
Line!
Ooh. Nice.
Good look,
Good hit,
look,
good hit.
Yeah. Hey, check.
Ooh.
All right, they get lucky, man. Let's go. Yeah.
Jeez.
Hey, control that lead, just control it.
Come on, let's break the ice, guys.
Yummy.
Yeah.
You start like super behind?
Yeah.
We started yesterday, man.
Yeah, the scoreboard froze.
Turn!
Good Mike. Good Mike.
Jeez.
Go.
You want to go? Go ahead.
Stay back.
If anybody wants one, I'm good.
Okay.
Show for him, Tony. Show for him, Tony. You guys show for him. Hey, you got Jessley. Hey, watch out, man. Watch out. Hey, right here. Turn around. Keep going. You got Seabass. Good, you got Jessley back.
Good.
Good. Nice, Oz.
Turn, Jessley.
Hey, yo, we gotta talk.
I think we'll start bringing gloves. A little cold out here.
Yeah.
A little frozen.
Pick your poison.
Can't win.
You good, man?
Yeah, it's just you.
Yeah, I guess it's true. Everyone's slipping here.
That car with the headlights on is targeting me.
So that's where you get a nice bright one of those like tactical lights, and it's like poof, right back at them. And then they have like that strobe mode, so you just like strobe back at them. They're like, okay, they get the hint.
Yeah.
Oh, you have like a stalker? Is that it? It's like it's a known issue. Okay.
No good people
Hit
who
it.
work front desk. They say we've gotten stalkers.
Yeah, that sucks. It happens, you know. It happens.
I really hope it doesn't happen to me.
Yeah.
Left. Hit that. Get out. Man, go in. Hold it. Yeah. Left. Finish it. Good. What's up? Just one, guys. Ref, come on. Get him. Send him. Get him. Good job, Jordy. Stay right there. Great ball, Hubert.
They don't pick it up.
Turn. Kick off. Get Jose. Hit it.
Oh.
Tony, right there. Tony, behind you, Tony. Force it back. Middle. Good shot. Oh, ref, come on. No way. Watch your right. You got Bishop. On your right. Yo, so. Oh, the left foot, man. Left foot, man. Left foot.
There's a ball right there. No.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's up, Steve? Hey, run with him, Jordy.
Oh. Ooh.
Good, Ozzy. Finish it. That's fine. Just put pressure. That's fine. Drop. Take it. Ozzy.
Jeez.
Let's get one, boys. Come on. Fine, that's fine. Show.
Yeah, you're gonna break the scoreboard. Yeah.
Oh.
I think that's time. Fair kick. I mean, I feel good now, you know? It's that. So I tell her, like, let me just get that in. You did it for shot? Huh? Oh, you got a shot.
There we go. See? It's a comeback. It's a comeback. There we go.
Let's go.
There we go.
They picked the wrong guy.
So hard.
Picked Buddy Hield.
Gotta trust LeBron. GM LeBron's gonna do.
GM.
Like it with LeBron. Conference finals. Without LeBron, maybe play it.
Are we getting that one?
Yeah, they're trying. They're trying to get it.
We only got two.
Yeah.
Wait, that's not even the other new one.
What's up?
That's not the other new one.
No,
We're
that's it.
still missing one of
That
the
one's
new
from
ones.
like last season.
So we're still
It's
missing one of
old.
the new ones.
Yep. At least 3 new ones.
Why not two? Or for sure.
Okay. That's fine, that's fine. Stay back. Chase, 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 chase. Good. Sustain right there, guys. That's you. That's you. That's you, Haciel. Hey, let him go, let him go, let him go. That's fine. Yes.
To be fair, the
That's fine. Come back, Haciel. Good stuff, front. Right there.
Oh. Dang.
I heard about that. Hey, you gotta Hey, Kiva! Switch!
Ooh. I think a lot of people want to see the new team, the West Coast. They want to see just how good they are. That's why I'm going to continue to record, just to, give people
For the
like.
fans.
Oh yeah, they're like they heard the team's pretty good. Like now you'll see for yourself.
Yeah.
Both.
Hey, how was your cooking? You heard that? Good save.
Right here.
Oh.
Back.
Finish.
Nice. See? It's not over. It's not over.
It's not over.
1 goal a minute, you can catch up. That's how it works.
He's not wrong.
Yeah.
There's a chance. There's always a chance.
There's always a chance. Wasn't that from like Dumb and Dumber?
Yeah. There's always a chance.
He asked the girl, so what's the chance of you? He's like, 1,000,000th of a chance. He's like, so you're saying there's a chance? Oh. That's like one of my favorite movies, literally.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Is he back? I saw a whole lot of ball. Flagrant 2.
Why not? Why not? Good. That was good. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, still in, still in.
No, it's not like that. Like, that's not what I meant.
Finish!
Ooh. Dude. Just keep pushing. Keep trying.
I hit him with the Travis.
Turn. Oh. Oh, too much. No, no.
Cross!
I gotta come back. Gotta come back.
Good, Husky. Yeah. Hey, make the run, make the run.
Dude, make it. Go, 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 Tony. Oh. Oh, it's getting cold. There's like a draft. Get some wind chill over here. My feet are starting to freeze. I'm like, no.
That's you, Jordy. Good save.
Ooh.
Yes, on. Okay. Yeah. I know, right?
You guys smash
There we go. Hey, go line. Head.
Yeah. Yeah, whenever. Oh, dude, that'd be good at like around 11. Or 10.
Take space. That's a goal.
Oh.
Tony, get back. Go, Meadow.
Good look, Hatin. Let's go, boys. Drop.
Oh. Still. You go back. Hey.
Oh.
Right there.
Dude.
Close, Jesse. Get
Win with them, win with them.
Well done, Brennan. Oh,
Jeez.
Jesse. Turn around, Jesse. Yes, sir. Oh.
Oh, good look, good look.
I like it. Ref.
So you going home after this game, Cruz?
Definitely.
Oh, no.
Yeah. No, I have to upload the games I recorded for Monday.
Yeah.
I have to like. Oh, damn. Good stuff, Steve. Yeah.
You have to upload it.
Yeah, I have like 2 teams literally texting me, when is it going to be? When are you going to upload? When's it going to happen? I'm like, guys, it will happen. It will happen. It literally used to be like I'd wait a week. Now they want it the next day. They literally want it the next day. Yeah.
Haciel right here, Haciel.
So we have 1 ball? 2 balls.
I
Okay.
have one right
All
here.
right.
Okay.
Are you yawning, Cruz? Are you tired? Are you
Yeah.
complaining?
This is what happens when you get old, like really, really old. I got old parents. They're like 80, and they're always asleep.
Come on, boys.
It's like a reversal, you know. You're born, you're a baby, you sleep all the time. But when you get old like that, then you sleep all the time. So, yeah, I gotta look after them. So,
Hey.
kind of sucks. But
That would be me. I'm the youngest
Yeah.
of 4.
I told them I do not mind. You know what? I want to make sure I'm there for them. So, like on the weekends, I'm buying them like
Hey, push up a
food,
little bit.
whatever they need, whatever. I take them on shopping, like either Saturday or Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah. She's like so happy. Ooh. She's getting frustrated at the Walmart because we had like a Walmart installed, and they're only opening up 1 register. That's it, and they're making everybody use the automated. Like they're forcing them to use it, and then nobody wants to do that, and there's this big line forming. Like, oh, and they put the slowest person on there.
Come, let him come.
It's traffic. There you go. Oh no. They need a ball. They need a ball.
You're not going to get that.
Nah. It's trapped.
Yeah, on Monday, there was 2 balls that were trapped in there. And all, like, the girl who, like, pushed the fence, and she went in and then grabbed it.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Usually Peyton would grab it. Go, Peyton.
Peyton usually is skinny enough
Yeah.
to get over there.
Amanda and I were like, wait, about
Yeah.
like, he gained weight though.
Yeah.
Just to check. go. You guys are bad influence. What? I did. They're all white kids. Go yourself, bro.
No, the give and go. Oh, he missed it.
Finish. One time that. Oh. Finish. Good stuff, Tony. Quick. Hey, you can't slide. You can't slide. Thank you. Look at him.
Yeah, that's a penalty. That is a penalty. Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Right, we pay for it.
Someone take it. Someone's got to take it. It's a penalty.
You good? Anybody want to come out?
Take it.
Want to spare some minutes?
Ryan, that's yours.
One step.
And let me take it.
Goal.
Oh. No.
How do you miss that?
Finish.
Still in? Still in? No?
Yeah?
You can't come in. Hit it. Hit it. Ooh. Good shot. See that? About to win this. About to win this.
Yeah.
Have to break me. That was the Idris on this? Oh. Finish option. You have him on the right. Finish.
Oh, there we go. See, it's looking better. Looking better. Oh, man.
Hey, lead into it.
He just threw it all away. He just threw it all away.
It's the shoes, man.
Ah. Oh.
On the side.
Man behind. Score does not reflect the effort we gave today. Oh, good ball. Good ball. You got Jordy.
Push, push.
Oh, still in, still in.
Still good.
Turn. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Dang.
Oh.
Crack it.
Oh. It's close.
Cross the way, Justin. Right. One more.
Oh, dang.
Unlucky.
That's all I'm doing.
She's inside. Hey. Sniper.
Yeah, that went in. Yeah. You're like, I refuse to put up points now.
I know.
Just refuse.
I'll give you guys.
Please.
I don't want to lose my job. My very important job.
You're like, I can lose my job if I miss a point there.
I still do childcare for the Y, so I think I'll be fine.
What are you saying? In some circles, I'm kind of a big deal, you know. Just, yeah. You should know. Ah! Tried. 17-3. Hey, what's up, bro?